morning.
What is your name?
Linda Scott.
Okay. And Linda, you were telling me that you just had an experience with the LifeShield laser. Can you relate that to me now?
Yeah, I happened to run into Tony, your friend Tony, at the bank. He was behind me, and I hadn't said anything to him. He hadn't said anything to me. No hello, no nothing. And all of a sudden, he says, "You don't have any cartilage in your knees, do you?" And I looked at him and I said, "No, how'd you know that?" He said, "Because I don't have any cartilage in mine either." And he says, "I walk every day and I'm doing just fine." And I more or less asked him, "Well, what miracle pill did you take?" And then he started to tell me about this laser. Yeah, that's what it was. This laser. And he said that with my permission, if I wanted him to, he could show me how it works after, we took care of our bank business. And I said, "Sure, I'll try anything once if it helps." So got done with the banking business, and we went outside to my car, and my son was out there, and I sat down in the driver's seat, and I had my legs out to the side to open the door, and he pulls the pin out, and he starts taking it around my knee area where I have all the pain. And he did that for about a minute, and then he said, "Well, take a little, walk a little bit here." So I got up, and it was like, I'm thinking, wow, this is weird. I don't feel any pain or anything. So I walked a little bit, and then I walked back down the sidewalk, and he said, "Well, he says, "How do you feel?" And I said, "It feels good." And I says, "I don't have a lot of the pain." I said, "It's stiff, it's a little stiff, but other than that, no pain." And he says, "Well, I'll do it here for another minute, and then tell me how it does." So he did it for another minute, and I stood up on it, and I had two knee braces on before this even took place, and using a cane with that. After the second minute, I was up walking around like I'd never had any problems at all, period. I mean, no pain in the knee and the leg, nothing. Now, the other knee, on the other hand, that didn't get the treatment, it was killing me. But I went without my cane and the brace for the rest of the day, and that treatment, just for those 2 minutes, it lasted almost 5 days.
That's fantastic.
But right now, I am in so much pain. I need the laser. I really do. Because, I mean, I don't want to have knee surgery. I just don't. I've got enough problems in my life, and I've had enough problems that I don't want to have any more surgeries.
So what you're telling me is that, Tony treated you roughly 2 minutes, and after that 2 minutes, you had relief for, what, 5 days?
Just about 5 days.
5 days. And now it's coming back. Is it as bad now as it was before he treated you?
Oh, yeah. Actually, it's hurts a little bit more than it did then.
Well, probably because you had relief. You're probably going to have to use this on a continual basis if your knees are that bad.
That's what Tony was saying. Yeah, definitely.
All right. Well, that's a very interesting story. I appreciate your testimony. Thank you. Thank you very much. Did you have a hard time believing in this before you actually experienced it?
Well, as I told Tony, my son is skeptic. I was a little skeptical, but as long as I've had this pain, I told Tony I'll try anything once.
How long have you had the pain?
Well, in the knees, I've had it, how long would you say in the knees?
I don't know.
It's been at least, I don't know. It started getting real bad maybe within the last maybe year. least.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.